Sa gitna ng nakatakdang taripa ng Estados Unidos na ipapataw sa trade partners nito, hindi maiwasan na mag-alala ang mga mamimili sa Amerika. Narito po ang report ni Leslie Gumarang.
Pag-aalala at pagkabahala ang nararamdaman ng mga mamimili sa bansa dahil sa tila hindi na mapipigilan na panibagong mga taripa sa mga produktong inaangkat papasok ng Estados Unidos. Ayon sa isang residente ng Manhattan, lalong magmamahal ang mahal na mga produkto na kanyang binibili.
I'm worried about the tariffs.
Why?
Because it's going to make most of what I buy more expensive if it still remains available.
Maraming pamilya tulad ni David Lawrence ang nababagabag.
My family's worried. I'm worried.
Ayon kay Manhattan resident Charmaine, maraming tao ang mapipinsala dahil sa epekto ng taripa.
I think it's going to hurt a lot of people in this country, yes. Yeah.
Why do you think that?
Well, the increase in prices, things are tough enough as it is now, and then increasing prices is going to hurt a lot of pocketbooks here. I'm not buying as much as I used to, that's for sure. Yeah, I just buy what I need, basically.
Para sa mga naninirahan sa maliit na espasyo tulad ni Teresa, mahirap mag-imbak ng supply kung kaya't kakaunti ang kanilang magagawang paghahanda.
There's not much I can do to prepare since so much of what I buy comes from outside the United States and I don't live in a huge apartment.
And yeah, some people do the stockpiling and stuff like that.
But it's hard to do with in not a large apartment in Manhattan.
Leslie Gumarang para sa Mata ng Agila International, Trusted, Connected, On Point.